Hello guys, today me and Sissy are gonna mukbang a cake, a mocha overload. Sissy, no. No, Sissy. No. You get the box, Sissy, I'll get the cake. Mommy, can you get kutsara? Can you get kutsara, please? For me and Sissy to eat. Wait, Sissy, now first. No, not first. So, hello mga teachers and mga students. Welcome to me and Sissy's live. Wait! Na, Sissy. Gimme. You feed Sissy. I don't know how to feed her. Okay, fine.
Little bit lang.
Mama, can
Do
you
not eat too much.
Can you cut it?
Yan na.
I don't know how to cut.
Wait lang.
Wait guys, we don't know how to cut a cake because knife is very dangerous for students or grade
Do
1
not eat too
students.
much, ha. Just little bit lang, ha.
Okay.
Stacy, just feed little bit for
She's
Sissy
still
only.
1 years old or maybe 2 years old now, but I don't know.
1 year old pa lang mangudmulib.
Ay, okay. Put it in the, Can you hide it now to the
Huh?
fridge? Put it in the fridge.
Take out ko na.
Yeah.
Alright. No,
So me and Sissy
Sissy.
can have a great time. Here. Now, Sissy.
Just
It's
eat,
over
Sissy,
here.
ha.
I'll eat your leftover. Come on. Aww. She's eating. Come here. Come show everyone your face in the camera. Just at me. Come here. Oh, come on. Wow. Very yummy. Hello mga teachers and adults. We are mukbanging cake again. That's my intro for now on. Let's just continue the cake. I can't. Oh, cake. Hope you
Hi,
have-
girl. Open mo yung fan mo, that girl.
Okay.
Ako na lang muli.
So, hope my besties are watching this. So they can watch me live with my own very own cake. This is my first food mukbang. Sesa, where are you going? No, Sesa. Summer after high school when we first met, with makeup and you Mustang to Radiohead. Hope some teachers are watching this because
Hi.
they don't know what I'm eating. So today I'm eating mocha overload rolling cake. You know why I'm not feeding Sissy? Sissy is not here anymore. She left the live. She left the door. I'm just sitting by myself now. Hope you guys enjoy. So, no one really likes me or Sissy. No one likes Sissy's video though. Hope you have a blessing day with Sissy. Sir? You coming in here? Mama? Oh. We'll just leave Sissy alone. Let her be. Well, I was a.
Ano, darling?
Sissy, camera ka?
Sissy, do you wanna play with ate?
Fine.
Oh, you go play with ate na.
Okay, Sissy came back to the live.
Come back to the life. Oh, back to the live daw. Oh, say hi. Oh, say hi to Atis fans. Hi. Come on, say hi. Hi.
Here.
Ubos ng mukbang mo?
Hindi pa.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Ang bagal mo namang magmukbang ay.
Oy. Mukbangs are always longer.
Ah, okay. Sige ah.
My baby's eating with me today. So hope don't mind. Here. Oh. Oops. Can you pick it up, Sisa? Good job. I picked the cream. Okay. Mama, some cake spilled, and I got the cream, and Sisi ate the. Oh, never mind. The flour's not dirty. Sisi. So today we're doing. Oh. Wow, we got 3 viewers. Here. Now, Mama? Mama?
Ano?
You gonna live now?
Ha?
You gonna live now?
No?
Good.
Ha? Hi.
Say hi.
Anong kain niyo?
We are eating maca rotten cake overload. I don't know what it's called, but I call it mocha. It's called for mocha. I don't know what it's called. Ah, baby. Listen us. Nakaon yung kutsara.
Ha?
Nakaon niya yung kutsara. No, she said. No, no. That's not for playing.
Binalik mo muna sa pinggan.
Yeah. We do not waste food in this house. But sometimes, I kinda waste candy in this house.
Gusto mo ba magkabik yun?
Mama? Here. There's the nut. Good job, baby. Shake the entire one. We're just gonna mukbang konti lang ng cake because cake is too sugary for me and Sisi because we are still kids. We are still learning. Sisi is still learning to eat herself, and she has been eating a lot lately, but she's crying overnight because mommy is ignoring her because she's sick. Now Sisi. Sisi took it. Now I'll do it for you. I'll do it. Mama, can you get us another spoon because Sisi stole my spoon? Sisi stole my spoon.
Stole right away.
She
Hindi ba
stole.
pwedeng iniram lang?
She stole my cake.
Ha?
She's licking the cream. Reach a billion rings. I mean ears. I don't know how to sing here my whole. But still love my baby and my mom. I love them very, very much. Oops, Sisi, no. Do not drop your food. Here. Here. Now stop licking my spoon. She's feeding herself then. She's eating the cream. Oh, that's it. You dropped it. Okay, it's good now. See the final result on the next live when we're at next video I mean the next live will be mukbanging noodles. Sisa now. Out. Sisa, that's dirty. Yeah. Alright. Now she said that's toys. No! Sisa, no! Yes. Good job. This may take a long video for Sisi. Sisi. Yeah. I'm feeding myself then. Bloody thunder. Yeah. With a bill and rings from millions. We eat it. Day after day, we do class, but Sisi has problems with her own class. No. Sisi. No. Oh, Sisi. I'm feeding you this time. So guys, we're ending this live. At the next live, we are mukbanging noodles. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy a blessing day.